You guys, today we are doing a Little Fit project. I'm very excited. We are going to be making homemade kettlebells.
Ninja Turtles. Action!
Alright.
Oh, I'm so excited!
Where's my coffee?
Over there.
Okay.
So what do we do first?
First things first. We gotta talk. We gotta tell them.
Where are my pipes? Bow staff.
Aesthetic.
Alright. So, we're winging it.
Yes, we are. We have no measurements. We have no weights.
I feel like this is going to be just a bunch of jump cuts of us being like, so what if we do this? So here's the plan. Let's break it down.
Okay.
The plan is, we've got these bowls. We're going to put them together. We're going to duct tape them so they're solid. We're going to cut a slot in the top. We're going to bend our PVC pipe, fill it with cement, stick the PVC pipe in, let it dry, and then try to get the bowls off somehow.
Well, even if we have to break the bowls, I mean, they're 75 cents a pop.
They were pretty cheap.
Which I don't love the idea of waste, but I'm pretty sure that we could like open it and then pull it around and then use it for the next one.
Worst case scenario, we would that's the plan, is hopefully to be able to reuse them.
Yeah, I
But
don't wanna
worst case
waste them.
scenario, we could just make them part of the kettlebell.
That might not be a bad idea anyway. Is there any kind of measuring tape we can use to look a little bit more like we know what we're doing?
Oh, where is my measuring tape? Da, 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 da.
Da, 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 da.
Tools!
A nail or something?
That's so aggressive.
I'm just saying if you wanted to get the start, because that might be the hardest part.
The first cut is the best. What?
Okay, but how are you going to cut it?
I'm just gonna do this.
Okay. Should we be wearing safety glasses?
Oh, and gloves. You'll have to put a warning. Don't try this at-home DIY project at home. Don't be stupid. I don't trust this knife anymore. That safety catch does not work. Okay.
If we just like...
Nope, that's not.
Hey, look, you actually did almost get... Look at that.
Yeah, well, because I'm super strong is why. But whatever. Well, this screws. Didn't we watch a video on how to do this? Wait, no, we're doing it different.
Yeah, he used a basketball, which is cool, but...
What? I think the knife is the way to go.
Ah!
It's dangerous, and I could cut my fingers off, but it's worth it because it gets so fit. Just get in there and cut. Knife is not safe enough. Jesus! Like,
Don't we have Leathermans?
oh yeah, we do. Where are they?
Ah,
Trust.
shoddy.
Here, wait. I'll give you a cutting board. And you should probably have gloves.
What do you mean by that?
Have you met you?
Did you try this one?
I did not.
Why would you go to the knife?
Because it's sharp as heck.
Which is not what we want. We want control.
Yeah, but a sharp knife is going to have more control than a saw. You crazy drunk. We have 2 bowls to do here, so we can cut to number 2.
We'll just pretend that it all went well the first time. And then, like that?
Yeah. But here, let. Sometimes I just don't even know what to do, you know? Oops, that just cracked.
You break the bowl in half. I forgot to mention, we got these bowls from Walmart for 75 cents. Yeah.
I think you mentioned the 75 cents thing. I don't think you mentioned the Walmart thing.
Walmart.
Shout out.
Hashtag mainstays
Shout out
sponsor
Walmart.
me.
Amazing. Send us free plastic
We'll cut them up.
balls. We'll turn them into other things.
Okay, let's think. What if we like put it in the oven.
This just melt it. No.
Bend to my will.
We need to.
The third cut is the deepest.
Third. Okay. I can do this second one lickety split.
How far? Now what?
That's the question. I think. Get your hairs out of here. What are you doing? Come on.
You do this, I'll put my hair in a bun. I'm back. With hair that is ready to attack. I'm pretty sure for like everything we got to do this project like 8 times over, it costs like under $50.
Yeah.
I cannot believe how cheap cement is.
I was just gonna end up with like furniture made of cement, concrete planters. You know how heavy that would be? Do you know how heavy that would be?
Okay, I can work with that. What do you think? Do you think you can get the handles in there?
Let's try that.
This is a nail file.
Wow.
You're so mean.
Should I get the other one ready?
Don't be making loud noises. He's sorry.
We'll tell you what tools you need when we're done, so we know.
You guys, this is why I'm not a carpenter.
Remember when we made that pizza?
What?
That keto pizza. We made that video.
Oh yeah, we make recipes, okay?
Well, that was a crapshoot too.
What do you mean?
It turned out all right in the end, but we had no idea what we were doing. We were just throwing cheese and flour and. How much progress do you feel that you made?
You know what?
What?
Just stop it. Oh, it's so frustrating. I don't like failing. Why don't we have better tools?
You're using a knife to saw.
Because the saw was so fat. That's not going very round.
Well, what are you made of? Do you think though? We'll still have to angle it. Nanu.
Okay, Google. How do you bend PVC pipe without tools?
Okay, so what we're gonna do first, okay? Why is it wet? Why is it wet?
These bowls were a great find.
They were a great find, and I don't feel bad that I'm breaking them.
Yes! I'm gonna say that this is the one that I did, and this is the one that Tyler did.
We did them both together. Step 2, take our holy bowls
Holy bowls?
and our unholy bowls, and we set them like so. They're gonna be a cute little kettlebell. So what we're gonna do is gonna use some good old duct tape. Wow, that's really thin.
Alright, so we are going to tape these puppies together and then pour the concrete through the top. I've got this, like, perfectly aligned. Oh, damn it! Ah! I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm glad we found these. Yeah. Originally, the intention was to find like a fishbowl we could fill up.
We're gonna earn that. Earn it!
There's my kettlebell mold! You know what's the hardest part of this?
What?
We're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to see if it actually worked.
Oh, and to paint it and stuff.
I did mine by myself, but that's...
Because you didn't ask for help.
Yeah, because I don't need no man.
Ah!
Whoa! You're crazy!
You just saved my life. I swear I shouldn't be allowed to have hair.
Or knives.
You know what?
Or tape, apparently.
Alright, we got 2 big old balls right here. Ding, 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 ding.
What did you just do?
I don't know. It's so perfect.
Right? Isn't it fun? It's a fun.
It feels so smooth. Ooh, I was like, why did
yeah,
it
there's
feel
oil
wet?
in here. We've got our molds. The plan now is we're preheating the oven to 350. Mm-hmm. We're going to warm up our PVC pipe. Mm-hmm. And then we're going to use these as like a thing to bend them around.
Yeah.
Then we fill everything with cement.
Cement.
We haven't even gotten to the cement mixing part.
I know, it's like we're just in the molding part.
You see like the 30-pound kettlebells at Walmart or wherever, and they're just like, where are you gonna put that?
Because like the same as if it did get too heavy.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm so nervous.
Oh.
I'm so nervous.
All right, wait. PVC also super cheap. This is a very cheap project. Cause seriously, the bowls were 75 cents. The PVC was $3. $6 for
16 feet.
For 16 feet, and we used like 3 feet each there.
Oh yeah. We bought these and this for what was probably $1 each.
$3 total.
Whoa, $1.50 each.
So $1.50. That's $3 plus the $7 bag of cement would be $10 plus, let's say, $7 for the PVC. But again, that's 16 feet, so that would be $17. And then the $14 paint.
We're making 2. We could probably get like 10.
I'm so excited. Yes. Oh yeah, crap. Get him out of there. Get him out of there, crazy.
Ooh, ha, da, 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 da.
Okay, let's do it. Do you want to each do one or do both at the same time?
It smells so weird. This is trial run number 1. So
Look at.
a little harder.
That's way too long.
But that's okay. We can cut it.
We could literally just hold it and then crank it down. I'm gonna try
Yeah.
it because.
Yeah.
So
Give
wait.
it.
Yeah, that's
Hold
gonna
it
be
in the
easiest
middle
way
and
to do it. All right, so grab it and then bend it.
Did it work?
That's better. Hey, look at that. And then yeah, we cut the.
Move it off here. I'm just winging it. You think that's a good idea? I just don't know if mine's deep enough in there.
Oh yeah, 100%.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think that's enough for it to latch
It's
onto?
something concrete, yeah. I love it. Okay. You ready to mix some cement?
I'm ready to mix some cement. Can you shut the stove off, baby girl?
I'm so glad this is working.
Mm-hmm. Well, we can't have cheesies in the video. Just have them like down below. So Potty knife!
Alright, so now let's go ahead and mix the concrete. I keep forgetting that it's not 30 pounds. Quick, sponsor us.
Wow! That's a good shot.
Aesthetic AF.
Now, how do we get this from the bag? The bowl.
Well, how much do we need? That's the first question.
Alright, here we go. Square feet. This is depth of hole in inches. Oh, 18 inches. So, I think you kind of just do the pour some powder in, pour a little water in, mix it up. I've got gloves for safety purposes.
For safety purposes. Scalpel. Oh my gosh, is this gonna work out amazing?
Heckin' yeah, it is.
Heckin'
Let's
yeah!
grab a scooper cup.
Ah! Oh, you would be so jealous you don't have long hair.
Wow, continuity errors.
What?
You had your hair up, and now your hair's up. Now your hair's all sorts of up.
Alright.
How do you store concrete? What do you do with all this? Oh.
So I do feel like I'm just like assisting.
Well, that's because you can't be trusted with tools.
This is pretty much the extent of my ability to cook.
Stirring concrete. Tastes about the same too.
Oh!
Burn!
So funny.
Let's give it a try. I'll fill it with water.
That's the way, we do it. Yeah, let's get this angle back.
Come to Papa. Big baby. Big baby, here we go.
Making it work.
Takes a little.
Oh!
What did you do?
Nothing.
Why were you just digging around the concrete?
I don't know. Well, now we have to. Maybe I want to take a little longer.
When the moon hits you right. What's that?
Like a big pizza pie.
That's cement.
That's just a man.
You ready for this?
Now this feels like when you do like science experiments as a kid, and by that I mean put like sticks in a puddle and stir it. I wonder how heavy it's gonna be. What? Is it not very heavy?
Oh, thank you, my dear. This is fun.
There we go, that's looking nice. Let's fill the practice one first.
Which one's the practice one? Mine is the practice one?
This is so exciting!
Wow, that whole bowl almost wasn't enough to fill this. Oh, that's it's gonna be perfect.
It's gonna be perfect.
If it works, I'm gonna make a lot of these.
Yeah, no doubt.
All different weights, different sizes. Straight. Whoa!
Last little bit. Finish her off. Oh my gosh. We'll just like give it a little.
Yeah, give it a shake.
Perfect. That's it. That was the one. Now let's make sure it's straight. There we go. What do you think?
So, you get a timeout right over here.
Look at it. It's a legit little fit DIY kettlebell. Why are more people not doing this?
I don't know. Maybe they are. Maybe we're just finally getting woke.
I am so thrilled. This is so excellent.
I have no idea what the safety precautions are of mixing concrete indoors.
I have no idea what the safety is going to be like on the kettlebells, but
I know. I'm like, is it just gonna pop right out when I swing it the first time?
no, because it shouldn't. Ooh, my shoulders! Can this be my workout today? Ah!
We're almost done, sweetheart.
Nice.
Paper towel stack. Yeah. Careful, you're crazy.
Perfect.
Ow!
Aye, aye, aye! Wait, put it next to this one so we can see
Yeah,
how.
see, it's the same height.
Oh, I love them! They're so good! They look so good! It's happening. This is working. Alright, so the first take of this did not work because the balancing thing was a bad idea. So now we've set out a little stool with a garbage bag over it. Very classy, and we're just gonna spray spray these bad boys. Alright, is there any method to this madness? I'm gonna do the other one.
Two hours later.
Alright, you guys, there we have it. Our first set of homemade Little Fit dumbbells. And like, check it. It's like pretty 360 degrees. Look at that. I'm so happy with how this turned out. If you guys enjoyed our little video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. We're going to try to make sure that we keep trying to find new creative ways to help you guys stay fit and healthy in the new year.